Welcome to MS Hydraulics, manufacturer and exporter of crimping tool and electrical accessories. The company was established in 2006 at Pune, Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa are some of our major markets. Precision-engineered products, timely delivery schedules and client-friendly payment options are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a wide assortment of aluminum casting, industrial hydraulic hand pump and aluminum lugs for power industry. Hand-operated and heavy-duty hydraulic crimping tools offered by us are superior in performance. We also provide aluminum casting, clamp connector, and lugs that are well known for their durability. Industrial hydraulic hand pump and aluminum lugs for power industry are a class apart. We are offering a top-notch quality range of brass-cabled glands and industrial hydraulic hand pump for electrical industry. Our hydraulic crimping tool and hydraulic crimping tool for telecommunication industry are setting a benchmark in the market. To get the best deal in the vertical, log on at www.mshydraulics.org.